If you are seeing this video right now and you are a publisher who wants to make good amount of money with your publishing business, one of the best things you can do for yourself right now is to make sure that you watch this video to the end. Now in this video, I'm going to be telling you some important things you need to know as a publisher that will help you succeed. Now, if you are someone who is looking to take Amazon KDP as a vehicle to create wealth for yourself, also make sure that you watch this video to the end. Now, before I go into the details of what you need to really succeed with your Amazon KDP business, towards the end of 2025, we are in the month of December, which is the last month of the year. I want to be sharing with you, a testimony of one of my students. Now, this lady chatted me, back like few months back, and he chatted me that someone that I know who is also popular in the KDP space recommended my course to her, which is this guy here, Graphic UG. Most people actually know him for his interior design course, which he has done really great for the KDP space. You understand? He has a very good course on book, what is it called? Cookbook interior design and travel guide interior design and interior design in general. Okay, so you can actually go and get his course. He also have a YouTube channel. You get, so you can go there and learn how to format books with MS Word, and profit from that also. So this lady actually messaged me a few months back telling me that Graphic UG actually recommended my course to her, and I'll be sharing our chat so that you can see what she actually said. Okay, so these are chat as you can see on the screen. So I will scroll to the top so you can see how she messaged me and how everything started and her goal and the amount. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because anyone who wants to go into Amazon publishing and you are looking for the right directions, the right guidance that will help you succeed. Amazon actually has a lot of headaches that if you are having someone who is going to mentor you or someone who is going to coach you in this business, it should be someone who really cares about your growth and success. As you can see here, she said, "Hello sir, good morning to you. My name is Theodore. I chatted with Mr. UG, which is Graphic UG, about my KDP business performance and upscaling it. I asked for mentorship and he referred me to you. I said, okay, you are welcome. And she told me, and I said, he told me about you. Graphic UG also chatted me that someone would, message me and also tell me that, okay, that she's going to get my course." I said, okay, no problem. So I said to her, so what you really want is someone who is going to mentor you in building your desired KDP business income. Now, one thing about me is that I work with people based on their level and based on their level of understanding and how they have grown in the business. You understand? The way I work with a newbie is not the way I work with someone who already has, experience in the business. And she said, yes, sir, I started since April, 2024. 1 year now, starting early February, 2025. Start inning. So she started inning February 2025. She started 2024 April. Start inning February 2025. So if you scroll, I say okay. And she said $35 and counting is what I have made this month organically. You get? I say okay. And she was like, what? I was like, what has been your highest inning in a month? You get? So I normally ask these questions to anyone who is coming to my DM so that I can know how to work with them. And she was like, in total, I've made what's it called, $212 in 3 months. That is like her all-time lifetime innings for KDP in 3 months. And that particular month, she has made $114. You get, like, the highest month she made $114. I said, okay, what niche are you into? And she now told me, she now said this was March, it was latest appliance trend that gave me this volume of sales starting from the ending of, you get. So we actually talked a lot about, I asked her questions, he also asked me questions, and I told her I have 2 mentorship. That time I haven't launched the Google Playbook Profit System, which was the Google Playbooks course. So I actually told her I have 2 mentorship programs. One is a full Amazon KDP course program. It is called the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP Blueprint. Now the other one is what was it called? The Aggregator Dollar Blueprint, you get, which teaches you how to publish on Draft2 Digital and most of these platforms. So scrolling down to where she told me, and she told me about her goal. She asked me how much is the course. I told her, which she was to pay 130K. At that time, the aggregator course was 100k. Now that course is 50k. So you can also go and get it. It will show you how to publish on Draft2 Digital, and Draft2 Digital will help you distribute your book to other platforms. You get. So she said, but for now, this my goal for this year is to hit 7,000 US dollars total Amazon earning for this year. If you can help me get to this, I will be extremely grateful. You understand? So I said, I now told her this particular course, which is the 0 to Hero Amazon KDP Blueprint, is 30k. You get. So, and she told me that she doesn't have like what's it called, the finance to get the course for that month. You get. Going down after she told me, so it was like 2 months before she bought the 0 to Hero Amazon KDP course. Now when she bought that course and I enrolled her, I added her to the mentorship group, I added her to the course group and all that. She started taking the course and all that. She also was someone that was very inquisitive. She was asking me questions, and I was also explaining to her, which was my normal way of helping, you know, my mentees, you know, get results faster, because whatever they don't understand, I should be there to explain to them clearly so that they can understand it. You get. So going down to, okay, this was when she made payment. She paid 30,000. So you see, I sent her the group links and she messaged me on Telegram. I added her to the group and all that. So she was always coming back to my DM, also replying to my status and all that. So, and she is also someone that lives in my city. You get. I stay in Port Harcourt. She also stays in Port Harcourt. So fast forwarding, first of all, the highest she has made in a month is $114. Fast forwarding to her testimony, you know, her screenshots of what she made last month of November is what I want to show you guys, because a lot of people feel KDP is just like a game of you just have to create books with AI, publish it, and you start making money. You get. So this is the 0 to Hero Amazon KDP support group. So these are some students that are also earning money, you understand, in the platform. You get, as you can see. So these are some students that are earning money also, as you can see. I'm looking for her because she actually posted it. Okay. So as you can see, a lot of people are actually making money in this mentorship. You understand? So let's just, okay, so this is her. As you can see, this is her. It will actually show on the screen. This is her, what was it called? Her earnings. She actually made 499.48 euros, which is about $500+ in a month. Now, this was someone who was making $34, $414 in a month. You get. Now she made this. I have students that are doing over $1,000 plus, $2,000 plus, $3,000. You understand? On a low key, you get, on niches that you will not even believe that this is someone as a niche that someone can make this money. You get. But the most important thing about this is that when it comes to Amazon Kindle publishing, yeah, you need a good information about it. Like, you need a good mentor who can show you how this stuff works. You need someone who can actually guide you and, you know, prepare you, because KDP is not just about uploading books on the platform. You have a lot of things to understand. You get. Guys, I have always said it time without number in this channel that you need like the understanding of 3 core elements for you to be very, you know, well knowledgeable about book publishing. First of all is the knowledge of getting profitable keywords. You get. So if you can master keywords, you are good to go. The second one is how to write a good book around that good keyword, and the third one is launching, you know, that good book around that book that you've written. So keyword, good book, and book launch. These 3 things, if you understand it, you have killed it when it comes to, you know, your Amazon KDP business. There is no 2 ways about it. And one thing also you should understand is, if you are publishing on niches that you can easily transfer to other platforms, just like self-help, cookbook, travel guide, and all that, all this, or what's it called, fiction books, romance novels, and all that. If you are publishing on these kind of niches, you can make more money also if you are in other platforms. You understand that you are publishing on. Let me say you are making about $1,000 on Amazon, and you also have an account with Google Play Books. You also have an account with Draft2 Digital that will help you distribute it to more platforms. you also have an account with Apple Books. If you just publish one of these books and you distribute it to all of these platforms, you see that in a month you will be making close to $5,000, because when this platform gives to you, this platform gives to you, this platform gives to you, you know, when you accumulate it and join it together, you're making a reasonable amount of money. You get? So the number one thing you need to succeed in Amazon KDP business is getting yourself a mentor. If you get, and you are not finding them these days because you don't really get the person who can show you how to do this stuff. It is not people who you pay money to, and after paying money to them they abandon you. You get, you'll be abandoned. You need someone who can, on the get-go, you can go to their DMs. My DM is always available, especially for my students who are coming and they are asking questions every day. The thing is that the way I work, if I am writing a book, my phones are always with me, and that is the time I take to, you know, respond to messages and all that. Especially, let me say I am formatting a book, or I am, you know, generating content with ChatGPT. Immediately I do a send, I just get back to my phone, respond to messages, and that is it. If you get, let me say I'm generating an image, I get that little time to respond to people. So the number one thing you need, you see in this KDP business, if you succeed in 2026, is someone who is going to mentor you. Now, a lot of changes are happening, which is, I will be doing another video for that, because Amazon KDP, Amazon is bringing a lot of changes that is kicking out a lot of publishers out of their platform. Now, just imagine this period that a lot of people are going at. The competition is going down. Accounts are being terminated and people are giving up every day. You need, and money is still on this business. You get, people are still, now is the time to now go into the business, because a lot of people are giving up in the business. You understand? A lot of people are going to crypto, YouTube automation and all that. So if you go into it now, you will be the ones to actually reap from it. The only thing you need is the strategy on how to stay on this platform. You get? So I believe you guys actually get the points. Now, if you want to get the course, like the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP Blueprint, you can send me a DM. You get? Now, this is like just like a testimony of someone who is going, who actually went from nothing. I might be hosting, you know, like publishers get together in the city of Port Harcourt. Maybe other people can also come who, you know, discuss strategies and actually talk, you know, more about how we can actually succeed using book publishing and all that. Maybe next year. This year is already, you know, gone, but I might be thinking of, because it's already in my mind to do that. You get? So I might be compelled to actually create a platform like that, whereby publishers can meet physically in Nigeria and actually share thoughts on how they can actually move forward in their publishing business. If you want to get the course, you know, the course is on a discount for the whole of the month of December. So instead of getting it for 30,000 naira, you'll be getting it for 20,000 naira. Do you understand? So you can use in the description, use the link in the description of this video, or you can chat me up on WhatsApp by using the number on your screen. You understand? So chat me up or use the link. You also see an account in the description of this video. You can make payment and send this your receipt to like your receipt to my WhatsApp. When it comes to this Amazon KDP business, I really understand this stuff. You know, I sabi the business. You get? So if you are looking for someone who is going to guide you on how to succeed in this business, you are just seeing the right person here. Someone who won't abandon you, someone who won't scam you, because a lot of scam. I will also do a video about someone who has been scamming people. You understand? So that people will be aware of, you know, fake gurus who are out there to destroy people. A lot of people, will see some of these their ads, subtle ads, and feel, these people, they know what they are doing, and you pay them money. After paying them, you don't hear from them again. Yet I'll also do like a video on fake KDP gurus out there that you need to be aware of, so that you won't fall into their trap. So thank you so much for watching the video. Remember, if you want to get the course, click on the link in the description, the first link in the description below, or message me on WhatsApp. My contact will be on the screen, and also it will be in the description below. You will also find it in the comment section below. If you have a video request that you want, something you want me to do a video about, you can actually keep it in the comment section. If it is something I can do a video about, I'll also create a video about it. For now, thank you so much. As always, I am Value Bank, and I'll be rooting for you all from afar. God bless you.